大家好，我是阿勇。
大家好，我是爆米香的阿华。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐礼拜我会拣一条英语新闻，互阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English. 你较早较少年时，敢有咧耍 sports？
我
敢有咧拍球？
拍球哦，较无啊，可能是大学的时阵，我较爱拍迄落，迄要安怎讲？我来讲 squash， 若是华语直接译过来应该是壁球安尼。
对，那像网球，毋过是对壁咧拍。
对。
啊，毋过这你少年时定定咧耍，啊，你顶一遍耍着是偌久进前啊？
哦，介久啊，应该有上无10几档啊。
哦，咱就是出社会，为着生活，为着工课，就少年时的运动拢较耍袂着。咱就来看，中华有一阵做田人，嘛是安尼，即马因要来耍因少年时定定耍着的排球，毋过是伫球仔田内底咧耍哦。来看即条，球员逐个战甲规分输，全涂抹过。
The players fought until covered in mud from head to toe.
为着接球，规个人屁伫绿菇梅仔内底。
Flopping around in the muck to make the play.
袂输牛咧过翼，
A sight not unlike that of wallowing buffalo.
中华一阵做田人，趁即当稻仔做到有一个人芳。
A group of farmers in Zhonghua taking advantage of the downtime between harvests
前办一个水田的排球赛，
set up a volleyball tournament out in the paddies.
想袂到即款步数一个点出来，佫声话要几百人来参加。
They never expected their little event would attract nearly 100 competitors.
因为田底全染土，这甲一般球场咧拍是无共的哦。
With the paddies completely immersed in mud, this is no ordinary ball game.
看到球来，想要跳起来甲驶过，双骹所互染土挽掉咧。
Keep your eyes on the ball, but watch out for the mud trying to pull your legs off as you jump after it.
一位网友较早是排球校队，毋过43档来拢毋捌阁合着球。
One of the farmers played on his school volleyball team, but this is his first match in 43 years.
伊讲输赢早着无重要啊，
Win or lose, he said, it never really mattered.
这就是为着要做工课饲家，为着某囝出社会43档，毋捌阁拍着伊少年时上爱拍的球。其实我高中时阵上爱拍的嘛是排球啦，到当嘛是15档拢毋捌合着。屁伫土菇梅内底，即个屁我嘛是头一遍听到的字，因为阮兜拢会讲拍去查字典，确实即字甲拍了啊是共意思啦。
我嘛是捌听啊，所以我就嘛去找词典。毋过我看伊其实佫有另外一个意思啊，就是 fuck。
液就是洗分丝的意思，亲像咱讲 hot tub 就是洗浴槽 ，bathroom 就是洗浴间啊。头前迄个过啥意思咧？就是亲像咱硬一块麻糍去过土豆腐，所以过液即两字斗起来意思，就是你要洗身躯哦，毋过毋是用呛水的，嘛毋是用浸水的，你是用过的来洗液，安尼就叫做过液。讲你跳起来的时阵，染土甲你的双骹会挽掉咧。染土即个染，其实伫台湾足侪地号名拢用有着哦。亲像台北有一个夜市啊，叫做南雅。迄个南雅其实是尾仔洪改过的地名，伊原在就是南雅的意思。伫台中遐，阮阿姨住的所在有一个地名叫做水南。即个水南嘛是现代，互人看汉字念毋对音，伊其实就爱念做水南。台中另外一个最近介出名的观光景点，叫做大家讲高美湿地，毋过照台语的理路，嘛是应该叫做高美烂地，安尼才对。
烂地，所以烂地是英语的 wetlands 安尼。
无毋对。若是较少年的人来报即条新闻，你可能就会听到伊讲，你跳起来的时阵，烂土要甲你的双脚连掉咧。毋过咱拄则听到的是挽掉咧，即嘛是一字足古早的台语字啊。嘿，即字挽毋是亲像你挽花、挽草、挽果子的，当然伊嘛有即个意思啦。毋过挽伫遮是亲像古早咱有牛车，牛车你若是载伤重，迄只牛伊会挽袂行。
哦，
即若像拖，若像牵，安尼足沉重的感觉。所以若是有可能你会听到人厝内出啥物代志，厝内人过身的时阵，有人就会讲，你即马都较牵挽咧，就是爱较自在会调咧，亲像牛安尼甲拖过。
嘿，华你敢会感觉伫台湾去外口拍球，一定热翕翕啊，对无？啊，毋过安尼算土梅哥，上无尾啊，你就会凉啊，对无？
无毋对，热天热起来，毋是干那咱人咧热尔咱来看即条新闻，一只爱耍水的鱼。
Humans aren't the only ones who turn to swimming as a perfect way to stay cool during the hot summer months.
热天挡袂牢，来收水收一个清凉，这毋是咱人类才会哦。
A resident from a village in Pennsylvania captured video of a black bear.
美国宾索维尼亚州村民翕到一块影片，是一只乌熊。
Taking a dip in his backyard koi pond on a 90+ degree day.
走来因厝后埕的鱼池咧浸水啦，迄天热到30几度。
We were out on our back deck and the bear just walked right up to the pond and started playing around.
阮行到后壁阳台，迄只鱼就做伊伫透行到池仔边，做伊耍水啦。
It seemed like he was in there forever, but it was probably only 3 or 4 minutes.
感觉伊袂输伫遐浸规世人，毋过应该才3-4分钟尔咧。
He said, "We have bears around us 24 hours a day."
伊讲阮遮24点钟都有鱼。
We're kind of living on their turf, so it's expected to see them quite often.
阮寮算是住伫因的园仔啦，不时看到鱼嘛是料想会到的代志。
这条其实是我住伫 Pennsylvania 州的观众朋友，互我看，我感觉介古锥啦，啊，就摕起来念互大家听呢。话你拄仔讲迄个鱼池，我想要问，因为这是毋是饲鱼来食的？毋过这是 koi pond 呢，这毋是这毋是饲来食的。
对，其实我本人无即个语感去现词典，词典是讲鱼池就是饲来看水的，若饲来食，迄是鱼运。嘛有人讲鱼池较细窟的叫做鱼池，大窟的叫做鱼运。
你若感觉英台 Express 对你有帮助
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share。若是有任何你想要看到阮两个互相翻译的新闻
，feel free to drop us a line in the comments.
，See you next time。
再会。